Hello, folks. What's up? Welcome to my first vlog. Can this be called a vlog? I'm not really sure. But yes, welcome to a video. Probably could be called a vlog. And hope you're staying safe and doing good. So, as you guys are aware, that we've hit 1K in the first week of September, as you guys and me alike, everyone else in my house were happy, right? That it was a serious milestone that we've hit with a lot of hard work and dedication and obviously support from you guys, right? So, as a souvenir, my wife had planned a small gift for me. So, and I got it delivered today in the evening. There are two white packages, and I am not really sure what's there in that. Mm, they look soft from the outside, so probably I'm guessing there are wall art in the form of canvas paintings, I guess, because from the out it's very soft. And one reason is that I've been mulling over, getting my gaming room ready for a while, right? Because I have a serious dream of making my own gaming room, which would reflect what I am and what I do, right? And types of games that we play, right? So probably I am guessing these canvas or these gifts could be something to do with what we pursue, right? So all cases aside, let's go ahead and open it and see what's there in it. I can't wait. I can't hold my horse. Let's get into it, baby. Okay, here are the bad boys. Let us see what's in it. So finally we are at the unboxing table. I am unable to control myself. I'm gonna open it soon. Okay, let's go slowly. Nice paint actually. Nice. Let's go, baby. This better be good. And hope it brings some shine in my gaming room. Oh my god. This looks interesting. Oh, it's jet. It's probably around 14 cross 18, 14, 18 or 14, 19 inches. Oh my god, right? Are you seeing this? What the hell, eh? Seems good, right? Probably a canvas, I guess. We'll have it hang somewhere. Let's see where this goes. So I'll quickly put this down. And oh, it seems heavy actually. Seems heavy. Okay, let's open it. Probably this would have something else, I guess. And what are these? Probably I'm a very bad unboxer. What are these? Okay, these are screws. Okay, there are 3 screws. Probably we could have 3 canvas at max. So probably that one could be a spare one. Okay. For now I'm putting it down. Please don't mind. I'll take it later. Oh my god, there is another canvas inside. Okay. Okay, there is another one here, so probably it could be 2 canvases. So this is one canvas. It looks good actually. Winners don't make excuses. Harvey Specter, yes, this is one of my favorite series that I've watched of late. One of the ones that has inspired me actually to what I'm doing now. Oh, one. Goodness. And this is Assassin's Creed. Yes, and thank God. This is Brotherhood, right? Yeah, this is one of my favorite games. This is Assassin's Creed. Brotherhood. Villains, I could say. Right? So one of my 3 favorite canvases. Thank you so much. And find a place in my gaming room where this would fit well and could make it look better. Let's see what happens. Folks, finally got the canvases fixed. So here went the Assassin's Creed Brotherhood canvas under my shelf there. And then we have the Harvey Specter just beside it. I have my violins. And finally I have my jet here, right? This looks dope. It does, right? So yes. Okay, folks, so hope you liked my canvases. I got them fixed in the right places probably. So yeah, so my gaming room is almost on the verge of completion, thanks to the gifts that I got. And so yes, so probably we're one step closer to making our setup to work, and let's wait for it. Okay folks, signing off. Until next time, bye bye, stay safe.